Today we are making Mediterranean style with chickpeas and fresh homemade dressing. Chop up all the vegetables. So we have some cherry tomatoes, bell pepper, red onion, and an English cucumber. Now that all of our veggies are chopped up, we're gonna add chickpeas to the mix, feta cheese, and then we have some parsley that's chopped up. For the dressing, you'll need some red wine vinegar. We have some oil, oregano, salt, and pepper. And I like to use a jar because it just makes it easier to toss it together or like shake it up and just makes the perfect dressing. This is the part that you want to do right before serving. So if, let's say you're hosting or you're making family dinner, you want to make the salad, you can keep it like this and then add the dressing right before serving. Just coat it nicely with the dressing. And then toss it all together. The colors are epic in here. It's so much texture, so much flavor. It's a hit every time.